Right, so what do? Should we reveal the car? We don't have guesses. So
yeah, I think I don't think
reveal it.
anyone's got it. So it's very similar to a 308. It's actually a 208. So 208. What year were 208s?
Let me check the box.
So it's got the classical styling cues. So when you look at the side of it, you got your classic, I guess the very sharp conical air intakes, this winglet at the back, and the overall profile of the shape is very much 308.
Yeah.
Yep. But when you look at it this way, you can see just how much slimmer it is.
Yes.
Yep.
So
and in a way, it's a bit
lower
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this was actually 1983.
1983.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is a turbo. So I'm assuming it's got a slightly smaller engine than the 308.
Yeah. I'd say so. Let's pop the top camera so we can see a bit more detail to this. Here we go.
Let's do the zoomage, I think.
Yeah, I think so. There we go. So as usual, this is a 1/18 scale from BBR, limited to 120 units worldwide. So very limited. Brand new release, as we said, is a Resin model. So hand-built, handmade, and very, very detailed.
So superb paint finish as in any of the BBR models. And it's quite nice how it's got a leatherette base. And the color is just slightly different to the Duco. So you can actually see how the Duco just pops.
That's right.
Classic red and black. I mean, I always loved the red and black contrast.
Yeah. They're photo edging throughout the car. So you have, just from the logo at the back here, the Ferrari photo edge.
Yep.
But I've noticed just before that the gear changing stick is also photo edge, or is a...
It's a very fine
photo edge. I don't think we can kind of see it, but...
You might be able to see the gate. So this has got a very classical racing gate. It's chromed.
Yeah.
So it's got the very straight, what you call the H pattern. But that's been photo etched there to get that super fine. Might be able to just see it reflecting there, but you may not be able to see the detail.
And there is a little...
Let's see how far you get there.
You can probably see some shiny...
Maybe not.
Yeah, it's really hard to see. Here we go. Maybe from here we can.
You can just see the stick there. It's got a round knob on the top with a really thin stick, and just sitting in that H pattern.
That's right.
Classical black interior. There's the nose there. Okay, so you can see the prancing horse, and then also the emblem there on the nose as well.
Yes.
Got the pop-up headlights. And air intakes, which are the black. You got the really fine rear vision mirrors, which have also got little Ferrari markings on them as well. So this particular one, the Targa top, really nice. And then as you look at the back, got the classical round rear lights, huge exhausts, and then you got that very flat rear tailgate. You can see the cover on the engine just along here. Nice painted panel, and there's your little winglet across there.
Spoiler.
Wheels are super nice.
Very classic as well.
Yeah, chunky 5-spoke.
Yeah.
And you got that black waistline all the way across.
There we go.
So there we go. That's a Ferrari 208 Turbo.
1983.
What was the color code?
Rosso Corsa.
There you go.
That's it.
Special.
Very special. So this is brand new release from BBR, and there are a couple of different versions, a couple of different slight colors. So there's Rosso Corsa, and there is another red. Actually, I don't remember the name exactly, but slightly different.
Slightly different.
Yes. So very nice indeed. Excellent.
Good. Nice.